Shopify Rebellion Valorant. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Shopify Rebellion. Shopify Rebellion is a Valorant gaming team, okay? They're mainly for Valorant, Dota 2, and a whole lot of other games, okay? They're absolutely out of this world when it comes to the esports sections, okay? They're great and really good in games, and they're obviously mostly, powered on by Shopify. Their active squad members are RTZ, Yopaj, Sabe, Light, Theol, Liquor, and Kidrak. Obviously, these are their real names and these are their countries. And then you can even see former people on their Liquipedia page. You can see the organization, how it's run. So obviously, Toby Lutke, which is the owner and runner of Shopify, is the CEO and co-founder. So obviously, it's a more Shopify enlisted team, and it has all these other additional contents as well with different spotlights. And they're a pretty good e-games or esports team, okay? And they really rebel in games like Valorant. You have Dota 2, and they're a pretty good team. So this is their current team right now, okay? So this is Dream League season, and this is their team right now. They're a pretty good team, pretty good boys, and they have a very good e-game sport. Okay, and then you also have different Valorant teams as well. So this is the Shopify Rebellion Valorant team, and they obviously recently became the 2022 champions, which is a pretty big thing. So yeah, that's the Shopify Rebellion. Okay, and this is their Valorant story. So thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.